We live in a day and age where things are expected to be delivered to us in an instant. So it's not a mystery that slow websites are a big red flag for some users. Creating a beautiful and feature-rich real estate website is just one of the things to consider when you're creating a representation of your business and yourself online. If you want to put your website to work as a way to generate leads for you, one key important element that you need to pay attention to is how your website performs as well. A website that can't be accessed fast enough because of server-related issues could reflect negatively on your branding and your SEO results. This is why it's crucial to choose the right hosting environment for your site, just like you choose the right home for your clients. Selecting a hosting environment is equivalent to picking a house that you want to put your website in. It has to be sturdy, secure, and it has to meet your needs. Realtyna's hosting solution gives you access to custom-hosted environments that have been optimized to work best for real estate websites that utilize our products. One of the many solutions we provide is our organic IDX integration. Our hosting environments have been set up to meet the demands of storing and efficiently updating the thousands of listings that you're pulling from your MLS and populating as indexable content pages on your site. Our hosting solution uses cloud computing, so this allows us to easily allocate resources to your hosting with us based on what your site requires for it to perform fast and efficiently. Fast page loads, after all, are one of the foundations of good SEO and ranking high online. To give you a more real-world example of the difference that our hosting solution makes, I can show you 6 websites divided into 3 scenarios. First, I'll showcase 2 examples of websites that we've created for our clients who are currently utilizing a third-party hosting provider. Afterwards, I'll show you another 2 sites that we've created for our clients. In this case, they're also hosting with us. And lastly, I'll show you the performance of a few sites that are not using any of our solutions, nor are they hosting with us. For this test, I'll use Google Page Insights, which is a helpful tool that allows us to see the speed performance of a website. For the first scenario, this is a site that we've built for a client who is currently using our products for their website, but are currently utilizing a third-party hosting provider. Now, I'll run a test for the site so we can see the performance results. Now, in the mobile performance result, the website scores just 9, while on desktop, this website scores 46. The second example is also still utilizing a third-party hosting provider. The score is 10 on mobile, and on desktop it scores 66. So on average, the websites that use our products for their site and go with a third-party hosting provider tend to score on the lower end of the scale on mobile and halfway through the scale on desktop. In comparison to that are a few sites that we've created for our clients using our products and are currently hosting with us. So in comparison to the first 2 sites that I tested, this one shows a way better result. This website scores 52 on mobile, and on desktop, the score is 84. This website is also still using our hosting services. The mobile result is 57 and a 93 score on desktop, which is the best score out of all the 4 sites tested and shows that on average, websites that utilize our hosting tend to score on the higher end of the scale for desktop and midway through the scale for mobile. Now, for this last scenario, I'll be running tests on 2 websites that are currently not using our product or our hosting solution. So the first example website on themarket.com displays a score of 24 for the mobile performance result, and for desktop, the result is 65. The next example is Sotheby's.com. The mobile result is 5 and the desktop result is 27. Based on those 3 scenarios and the results, we can see that websites that tend to go with third-party hosting providers tend to score on the lower end of the scale for mobile and only up to 66 at best on desktop. On the other hand, websites that choose to host with Realtyna score on the higher end of the scale on desktop and halfway through the scale in mobile. That being said, if you'd like to use Realtyna as your hosting provider or if you'd like to switch over to our hosting services, we do include complimentary migration as part of our hosting packages. You can contact our sales team through the numbers on our website, or you can contact us through our live chat as well. One of our sales team members can help you in picking the right hosting package for you.